How to fix quality on Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix the video quality on Amazon Prime. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, what you have to do is simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Prime app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store. In the search box, type in Amazon, go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Now, issue over here seems to be that let's say you're having blurry issues, or let's say just set it too much high quality and you want to fix the quality on Amazon Prime. There are a couple of things on how you can do that. The very first thing you have to do is to simply go ahead and then open up the Prime Video application. Once you open up the Prime Video app, you can see all sorts of various options. You simply have to go to the one which is the profile icon on the top right corner, and then tap on the gear icon again, which is basically the settings icon. Once you go to the settings page, you'll be able to see all the sorts of various options. What you have to do is go to the one which says stream and download at the very top of the screen. Once you go to stream and download, you'll be able to see all other options again. Go to the one that says streaming quality. So if you want to fix the quality, you can set it to best. Yours could have been set to data saver, good, better, or best, but you can adjust this depending upon your own wish. You can also see use highest quality on Wi-Fi, which means when you're connected to Wi-Fi, Amazon Prime is going to give you the best quality possible extracting from an internet connection. After that, if you want to fix the download quality, you could go to download quality over here. You can also set to data saver, good, better, or best, or you can set it to always ask, so that you will also be asked whenever you try to download something from Prime Video. And hopefully this video answered the question as to how you can go ahead and fix the quality. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.